Gets answered by that impressive 1,500-foot turn. Happy Greenwood versus Joseph. Sure lucky out for brother Bishop. Crossing this year up to 9G. Or 9 times the horse driving. Coming in from your right, the Lemon Twos